The objective of this machine inserting job is to insert paper into an envelope for mailing. The equipment used includes work tables, a Flowmaster folding machine, a conveyor for envelope output, pallets, totes of 3 different sizes. The materials used include printed paper, envelopes. The personal protective equipment included hearing protection that is available but not required. The work environment is an inside work environment with air conditioning and heat. Heat is rarely used because the machines keep the building warm. The work methods observed for this job include: get the paper product to be folded, inspect the paper product, fan the paper, load the folding machine with the paper to be folded, load the envelopes into the folding machine, program and start the folding machine, get a stack of envelopes, inspect the stack of completed envelopes with the enclosed letter, position the envelopes in the USPS envelope tote, when the tote is full, position the tote on the pallet. Get the empty totes as needed. Monitor and troubleshoot the folding machine. There were several ergonomic risk factors observed for the machine inserting position. Repeated and sustained exertions were rated as a medium-high to high pace. Hands were in constant, rapid, steady motion and exertion to load the folding machine. To troubleshoot the folding machine, and to pack envelopes. Work is machine-paced with pauses when walking between different work areas. Sustained exertions were observed and included: continuous standing, continuous neck flexion or forward bending to view work materials and work equipment, continuous torso flexion and neck twisting to remove jammed materials from the folding machine. Forceful exertions were required to lift, carry, and position totes of paper and envelopes, adjust the folding machine and remove jammed material from the folding machine, load the folding machine with paper, get and pack completed envelopes. Awkward postures were observed and include elevated arm to use the touchscreen to control the folding machine, torso and neck flexion to collect completed envelopes, neck flexion to check completed envelopes, torso flexion and extended arms to position totes on the pallet, extended reach and torso flexion to position envelopes in the folding machine, wrist deviation or sideways bending to pick up totes, torso and neck flexion, torso lateral bending and elevated shoulders to remove jammed items from the folding machine and adjust the folding machine using tools. Elevated arms to get paper out of the tote to load into the folding machine. The mechanical or localized contact stress observed included contact stress between the hands and the edges of the totes, contact stress between the hands and the palm and edges of the tools used to adjust the folding machine, contact stress between the torso and edges of the folding machine. The recommendations for the machine inserting job include: consider using adjustable height and swivel, i.e. Lazy Susan, lift tables for the pallets that hold the totes of paper and envelopes to decrease posture stress and forceful exertions. Investigate an adjustable height conveyor for completed envelopes to be packed and the box of empty envelopes to decrease posture stress. Consider utilizing cameras to view the areas of the folding machine that frequently jam to provide a better view of the work area to decrease posture stress. Investigate additional padding for the handles of the tools used to adjust the folding machine to decrease contact stress.